Hello students, good morning. How are all of you? I am fine. Do you know today is a special day? Today is a national holiday. Do you know what is national? National means that is for our country. We all are living in a country and today is our country's birthday. Today, 15 August is our Independence Day. In 15 August 1947, our country get independent from our British rules, and that is our most enjoyable day. I want to say you, today is a special day. If we were in the school, so then we should celebrate it by flag hosting, by our recitation, our dance, our singing, all the things based on patriotism. But today, in today's lockdown position, we are all in our homes separately. But we should not forget this day. We should be together by separately. For this COVID-19 situation, I know all of you are getting bored. But today, we have to do something all together. Okay? So, let's show you, I am showing you one thing that I have done to celebrate this day. See? How's it? It's good. I have done it. Independence Day. This is the full picture of independence. What is independence? Freedom. Freedom to speech. Freedom to work. Freedom to all the things. This is called independence. In here you can see one bird is in the cage. It never gets freedom. But all the birds here, they are flying in the sky because they get the freedom. First, our country was also in the cage of British rule. But after this day in 1947, 15 August, our country also fly like these birds. So that's why we called it an Independence Day. Our Independence Day is celebrated by our Prime Minister. He unfurls the flag in the Red Fort. Many of the songs, recitations, shows are there, and he gave them a very, very beautiful and needful speech for all our country and their people. So during this celebration in the Red Fort, New Delhi has many tasks, including march past, performed by the Indian Army, and also the cultural events by some of our states and union territories. So in today's Independence Day, we are also locked because we are under lockdown. And we are like this bird today. As it is locked in the cage, we are also locked in our houses and homes and our rooms. But this lockdown, this situation are for betterment. That's why after this situation, when ends, when all this coronavirus gone, all this situation ends, then we will fly like these birds. So, in this Independence Day, I and you and all our countrymen, we all want to make a promise that we will do whatever it needs to cure our country, to cure our citizens of the country. So, this Independence Day, Jai Hind. Thank you. Bye-bye.